Here's the proper radio protocol for calling the Coast Guard or other boats in an emergency. Turn your VHF to channel 16, which is monitored by the Coast Guard. Repeat the word Mayday 3 times. Say, "This is," then repeat the name of your vessel 3 times. If it's an unnamed kayak, use a visual description like red kayak. Repeat Mayday once more and the description of your kayak. Give your position. If you know your GPS coordinates, use those. The next best thing is a compass bearing and a distance to a well-known landmark, such as a navigational aid or small island. If you don't have a compass or GPS, describe your position as accurately as you can. State the nature of your distress, the kind of assistance needed, and the number of people in your group. Add any other information which might facilitate rescue. Then say over. But if you can't remember exactly what to say, you can still call the Coast Guard.
And remember, be smart, be safe, and have fun.